Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you manage a website with Squarespace, the Squarespace mobile app lets you run your site on the go in 2026, from editing content to checking analytics and replying to customers. You won't build an entire site from scratch on mobile, but you can manage almost everything that matters daily. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to use the Squarespace mobile in 2026 cleanly, efficiently, and like a pro. So first thing first, download the Squarespace mobile app. So download from App Store or Google Play if you are using Android. So search for Squarespace first, okay? Get. Official app by Squarespace, as you can see. So open the app after it's downloaded. Log in with your Squarespace email and password. Choose your website, Face ID, finger trip, login supported, secure by default. So one account equals multiple sites supported. Okay. So you have to choose the account that you are using. So understand the app dashboard. The home screen shows site overview, notifications, recent activity, quick actions. Main tabs usually include home, pages, commerce, analytics, settings. So this is your mobile control panel, okay? So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.